The only way to discover the limits of the possible is to go beyond them into the impossible. Arthur C. Clarke. At Weba, we are driven to innovate. Through custom design, cutting-edge technology and a talented workforce, we leverage our deep understanding of the industry to keep transforming and create a better tomorrow every day. Each chute installation has unique requirements, applications and on-site conditions. These aspects make accuracy absolutely essential to our output. With our enhanced design process, fabrication and installation, our chutes are unrivaled by design. Our simulation and 3D scanning technologies offer faultless, safe and highly detailed overviews of each aspect of the process. Our solution design methods allow us to address pertinent industry issues, including environmental effects, wear and tear on machinery that results in downtime and losses, and overly expensive processes. Clients rely on us to provide intelligently engineered solutions that are cost-effective, custom-made, and that account for all variables. This trust in our abilities to remain at the leading edge is what moves us forward, expanding our offering into new markets. Our awareness of current industry trends, agility and adoption of technological advances guarantees our continued innovation and value. Weba, proudly moving resources for a bright, sustainable future.